A long time ago, there was a little girl named Lily. She lived with her grandmother. Their house looked lovely on the top of a hill. Can you see the clouds near their house? Lily had never been lazy her whole life. She woke up early in the morning, swept her little house, raked the yard. Finally, she watered the flower plants in her garden. One day, while Lily was watering the plants, she saw a little sparrow lying on the ground. Lily quickly picked up the sparrow and gave it some water. Lily looked after the bird until it got well. One day, the sparrow felt like it could fly again. So it left its friend. Lily was so sad. However, time passed quickly. One morning, Lily was reading in her garden. Accidentally, she touched a bee on a leaf. The bee got very angry and tried to sting Lily. Surprisingly, a bird appeared from a nearby tree and chased away the bee. Lily was familiar with the bird. Can you imagine who that bird was? Yes, that was Lily's sparrow. The reunion of two friends gave so much pleasure to Lily. Like Lily, let's help innocent animals when they need help.